Hello, this is one of the cartoon video animation I did watch and enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, Crystal Creative Network.
Hi Scott, how do you do? I am fine Samir, good to see you. I want you to help me with a piece of advice. What is it? I am all ears. Let us go to a private place, let me tell you. I love Comfort, but she is just being too apprehensive for my liking. I want you to talk to her on my behalf. What really transpired between you and her? Hope she is okay. Yeah, she is okay. I responded to whatever she requested from me, but I felt she is still seeing someone else. I am not okay with that. I just want to be calm and deal with the situation. Oh, I see. She kind of cool, but I don't expect it from her either. I shall talk to her to respect your person and hope she will make up her mind to stick with you only. I will really be glad if you do this. You know how I love her, right? Yes, I do. Well, we would see to that. Alright, thanks for being a good friend. Comfort, I spoke with Samir and he told me he loved you so much, he wanted something tangible in this relationship. What do you think about him?
He is a good guy though, I love him, but I am not ready to commit to anyone just yet. He won't understand? I see. Is this the reason you want to see me? To pressure me into a relationship that I'm not prepared for? Please. He is good guy, but I am a rugged babe, and I want a rugged guy. He is too cool for my liking.
What is it that he won't understand? Someone that has virtually proven, yes, beyond reasonable doubt, that he loves you. What equation are you bringing on the table? Be wise, Comfort.
Let me give it a sense of reasoning. He is still my guy. I think I need to change my ways anyway. Tell him I love him.
Wow, he will be glad to hear this. He already cares so much about you. Bye.